Make this recipe for your Christmas dinner. Super easy and delicious. To start, add 250 grams of pasta and a pinch of salt to a pot of water. Let it cook until al dente. Then drain the water and transfer the pasta to a large bowl. Next, add 200 grams of mozzarella, cut into cubes, and 200 grams of ham, also in cubes. For a special touch, add some sliced olives. Mix everything well to distribute the ingredients throughout the pasta. Now grate a whole carrot. It adds vibrant color and a light flavor. Then just add it to the pasta. Next, add half a cup of peas and half a cup of corn, which pair perfectly with this salad, and add an extra crunch. Don't leave before the end. The presentation of this recipe will surprise you. Now chop a whole tomato into cubes. This recipe is incredible. You've never tried anything so delicious and easy to make before. It will be a true hit in your kitchen. Add the tomato to the pasta. For a touch of color and freshness, finely chop some spring onions and add them to the salad. Now it's time to season. Add a little black pepper, oregano, salt to taste, and 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix everything well until each piece of pasta and vegetable is coated in that delicious creamy dressing. This recipe is super simple, and the best part is that you can make it with ingredients that are easily found in any supermarket. With the salad well seasoned, close the container and refrigerate it so the flavors can intensify. After chilling, transfer it to a nice decorative serving dish, ready to be served on the Christmas table. And it's done. Our pasta salad is ready for Christmas dinner, full of flavor and perfect to share with those you love. This is a recipe that pleases everyone and fits perfectly with the festive spirit. Did you like the recipe? Tell me if you plan to make it for Christmas or if you already have another special recipe for your dinner. This recipe proves that with creativity and a few simple ingredients, we can turn a simple dish into something amazing. Leave a comment below sharing your experiences with this recipe. I'm sure many people know this recipe, and maybe they make it in a different way. Also, don't forget to not only share the recipe with your friends and family, but also rate the recipe from 0 to 10. So I know if you liked it. Thanks for watching until the end. See you next time.